Assalamu-Alaikum everyone. This is Naz with Hijabz&You with another tutorial. How are you doing today? I pray inshallah you're all doing good, trying to still stay safe, taking care of yourselves, taking care of your family. We must, and make every moment count. Well, I'd like to welcome you to my channel, Hijabz&You and me. I hope that you're all enjoying this platform. I thank each and every one of you for being here with me and building it. It means so much to me. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless each and every one of you. Because the intention of building this platform of Hijabz&You is so that I can share all these different experiences, different tutorials, different daily life vlogs with you, my viewers. So that we can all of us can benefit from this. And when I do it, I'm learning in the process too. So I am very excited about doing it and being here with you, because as I do my vlogs and as I do my tutorials, I'm also helping to build myself. But today I am quite excited. I'm so excited to show you this look. It is a bit of a layered look. It's got some folds on the top. It's just a simple but elegant looking look. It's a beautiful scarf. The folds are, it takes just a little bit of time and you can get that look. So I'm quite excited to show you how I got this look. There's enough fabric to cover in the back. It's beautiful in the front. We've got layers. It's so beautiful. I hope you would think that it's beautiful, and I hope you're going to want to try this look. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get right into the tutorial and show you how to achieve this beautiful look. It's quite easy, quite simple, but we're going to attempt to do it together. So stay with me. So here we are. This is this most beautiful scarf. It's not heavy. The fabric is really light and nice for this weather we're starting to have. And I'm wearing a nice Indian Pakistani top. I'm not sure, but it's just one of those that has a little bit of fancy little piping over here, some glass work, some bead work. And so I thought this would be the perfect scarf for it. So I've got on my Ninja because, as you see, there's an opening here. So I want to make sure that everything is covered. And that's a must. It has to be covered. And then just for a bit of a contrast, I put this nice cap on. And this cap is a beautiful one. I've used it a few times already, but it just works. It's so pretty. So I wanted to put that on to bring a contrast with this fabric. So here we are. And over here, it's very easy. What we do is on one side, we have a very short, just enough to connect here, because we want the rest of the fabric for the rest of the wrap. So what we're doing, it's just basically just connected just as little as we need to just pin it here. So let's do that. And I'm going to leave a little bit of the cap because I wanted to have that little, sorry, not that much, but a little bit of a look there. And we're just going to fold it in and pin it here. And I'm going to use a safety pin. Now we've got that in place. And when you pin your the bottom there, you just, fix your pleats so that it's nice, and we've got that going on here. Let's set that up in place. We're just gonna put a little tuck here, give it a little pin to keep that over there. So that's done. And now, see, that's nice and short. We're going to do some folds. And the fabric is so beautiful to work with. So we've got one fold, we've got two folds, we've got three folds. And I'm just going to put a stick pin there to keep my folds in place. So pretty. And now what we're going to do, we're going to use the longer side, bring it over, and as we bring it, we can bring it with some folds as well to give it some volume. See that? How beautiful. It looks so beautiful with all these different folds happening. But we're going to leave some because we do need to have some coverage here. Don't want to lose my folds. It just takes a little bit of effort. And so we've got a whole lot of see how nice the volume makes it. Has this really nice look when you have some volume happening. See that? And the fabric is so nice that when you pleat it, it really looks nice when you see that, how you take it over. You take it over with some pleats as well. Oh, I love that. It's got some nice volume happening. And then what we're going to do is we're going to just keep all those folds and put a stick pin there. And let's see if I can find one that matches. And of course, yes. And I'm going to put a little stick pin there. And now what I'm going to do with this here is I'm going to bring this up here. First, let me pin it first so that we can work with it. And now I'm going to give it this really nice. So what we're doing, work with me. One pleat, two pleat, three pleats, like just bring it up here. And so that you have this nice, and just put it up here like that. We can actually use the other pin that's there, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to use another pin and pin it here. And make sure I get all the pleats in place and keep it in place when I pin it. And I think I've got it nicely there. And the shorter side we're going to put inside the blouse so it's nice and neat. And we've got this really beautiful look. Oh my, it's absolutely beautiful. The color of the scarf, it is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So now tell me, what do you think? Do you think that's nice? Do you think it falls nicely? Like we have this pleat going on here. We brought it up here so we can have a, it's a beautiful look. And here we are. My viewers, what do you think? My sisters, what do you think? Do you think that's beautiful? Do you think that's nice? You've got nice pleats. It sits nicely around the face. You can, that's really pretty. Oh my, absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. See that? There's enough fabric in the back for you to put it properly. Here, see? And we've got enough fabric in the front that gives you some, it's really nice. It looks, look at that, how that is falling so beautifully. What do you think, my viewers? I love it. I hope you love it too. I hope you are going to try this. I hope that you put it in your heart that, you know what, that looks so nice, the way Naz has done it, so you have to try it. And the fold is so pretty. Play with them, you know, fool around with them until you get it to the likeness that you want. And you can't go wrong. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So, I hope you like that. Now, I was fooling around with it. And I want to show you something. I mean, I am not a niqabi. But so many sisters are niqabis. It's amazing around the world how many niqabi sisters we have. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless them. Because in these difficult times, being a niqabi, I am sure there's difficulties that comes with that. But they do it. And I am so proud of each and every one of you that is a niqabi. So, like I said, I was fooling around, and here you go. Just the simple hijabi style we can convert and make it into a niqabi. A niqab. But we're just going to move some of the fabric up. That's it. There, my dear viewers. You still have your nice flow of the fabric. You still have your coverage. And what we've done is we've pulled the fabric up. All you need is 2 stick pins to turn this hijab look into a niqab. And it's absolutely gorgeous. You still have your fold. You still have the folds here of the fabric. You still have everything else is the same. And now we've created a niqab look. How beautiful is that? I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I think you can do it. You can use the style for niqab. And if you don't want it as a niqab, you can just take it down and make it into a hijab. And it is a hijab style that we've created a niqab. Simple as that. It's absolutely gorgeous. So my dear viewers, I hope you enjoy that. I hope you're all going to try that. I hope you niqabis are going to try it as well. Because it's an absolutely beautiful style, hijab style that we have converted into a niqab. Well, I hope you are all going to try that. Please tell me you will. So my dear viewers, until we meet again, please, if you like this, do hit the like button. Share it with your friends and family. Do, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button and press the all. Until we meet again, take care of yourselves, take care of your families, and be good to yourself. Enjoy every moment. In every day, there's 24 hours. Make sure you take some time for you. It's important. We have busy lives. You know, we're mothers, we're daughters, we're sisters, we're wives. The duties are never ending. But take a few minutes of the day for you. It's important. It's important. It needs for you, even if you make a cup of tea, even if you take a cup of tea and sit for 5 minutes, take some time for yourself. My sisters, until we meet again, do take care. Assalamu alaikum.